Diana. Welcome back to Renegade 88. Brakes. Definitely brakes. Brake booster is shut, so we're gonna have to replace it. Alright guys, these studs here are gonna go right through the firewall. And you're going to see four nuts, and it's going to be by the pedal support.
What do you need, babe?
You have your 916
I do. Right here.
This motherfucker is being a butthurt! Butthurt! Booty, yoy!
Ow! You wire.
Being a booty hood!
That sounds like victory.
Just hold the booster.
Alright, I've got it done. I've got it. Is that all of them? Okay. Hold your position. There we go.
I got one nut on there right now.
Alright. 3 more to go.
Yeah.
After a booster being a pain in the ass,
Yes.
it's in. Oh my god, my back hurts like hell. But yeah, you'll be under the dash for a while. Just make sure you have your Mito or whatever the hell you need. Lidocaine patch. Because you're gonna be hurting. But it's in there. Ah!
Yay! Till next time.
Bye.
See you next time on Renegade 88.
If you don't want me like this, buy me a coffee. And we don't even have the AC ducts. Imagine these with the AC ducts.